Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the project I'm working on today. Working on this 93 Dodge D350. It had the 5-speed getrag in it. Pull that out. My project is to convert this from this 5-speed getrag to this 6-speed nv5600. I wanted to show you guys what are some of the differences and the things we got to do the swap. Over here on the left is the bell housing adapter and flywheel, pressure plate, and clutch, and starters. The left side is the first gen. The right side is out of a 98 second gen Dodge. So on this truck, we can see that there are differences across the whole board. So the starter on the first gen, terminals are up top, but the windings are down below, whereas here the windings are up top and the terminals are down below. For the nv5600, they use this spacer on the starter, and that is to space it because the flywheels are different. If you look at the offset of the ring gear, see how close it is to the bottom, whereas this one is further away. So since the ring gear is closer to the starter needs to get moved back. So that's what this adapter is for. Also to note, if you look at the getrag bell housing adapter, you see how thick that is for the first gen, and you see how tall that is out of the second gen. Reason for this is because the length of the input shaft of the nv5600 is longer than the input shaft length of that getrag. So that is why you need the later model adapter. And this adapter is not just out of the nv5600s, it's used for the nv4500s, and it's also used for second generation Dodges with automatics. So that's where you find that. Some other notable differences. Here's the flywheels and the pressure plates. Interestingly enough, the first gen has really wide clutch surface area, whereas the second gen has a much narrower clutch set. I personally like having more clutch on the first gen, but we're gonna have to go with this one because the spline diameter on the nv5600 is also a wider diameter than the first gen is. So that's what we're looking at.